If your PowerPoint is showing error 404 when you try to open a video link or embedded content, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it. This problem usually happens when the link is broken, the internet connection is weak, PowerPoint is outdated, or the video only works properly in slideshow mode. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot the issue step by step and get your presentation working again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on, or if you're using mobile data, make sure that is active as well. Then open a browser and test the link that PowerPoint is trying to open. If the link doesn't load in your browser, that usually means the link itself is broken or the website is unavailable. But if the link opens correctly in the browser and still fails inside PowerPoint, the issue is more likely with PowerPoint itself. In that case, close PowerPoint completely and reopen it, then try again. A weak or unstable internet connection can definitely trigger error 404, especially if PowerPoint is trying to load online content. Now, let's move to the better method for adding videos. Instead of relying on a normal video link, use a YouTube embed code. This is often much more reliable for presentations. To do that, open the video on YouTube, click share, and then click embed. Copy the embed code that appears on the screen. Next, go into PowerPoint, click insert, then video, and choose online video. Paste the embed code and insert it into your slide. This method is often more stable because it is built for embedding content properly rather than just pasting a standard link. If your old method keeps giving you error 404, this is one of the best alternatives to try. After that, check whether PowerPoint needs an update. Outdated versions of PowerPoint can cause compatibility issues, especially with online content and video playback. To update it, open PowerPoint, click File, then Account, and look for Update options. From there, click Update Now. Wait for the update to finish, and then restart PowerPoint completely before testing your file again. Updating the app can fix hidden bugs and improve support for video and link features. If you've tried everything and the issue still appears, there's one more thing to check: slideshow mode. Some videos, embedded items, and links only work properly when the presentation is actually running in slideshow mode. Press F5 on your keyboard to start the slideshow, then try playing the video or clicking the link from there. This is a common reason people think something is broken, when in reality it only works during presentation mode. So if you're seeing PowerPoint error 404, the fix is usually one of these four things. Check your internet connection, use the YouTube embed code, update PowerPoint, or test it in slideshow mode. Try these steps in order, and in most cases, the issue will be solved quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple fixes and PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.